Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you about links, and I'm going to make the links in parts, part 1, part 2, part 3. So you are in part 1. Okay, so just as normal I'm going to save this file quickly because this video is going to be lengthy. um, Links in html.html, and I'm just going to do it fast. Okay, save. So we are going to write the normal doc type and all things. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so now we are going to write, I'm going to show you how to do a simple link, and all the links which we are going to practice are going to be to YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to when we are writing links, the element which is used is a. Okay, so I've written a, and now in a we are going to learn about an attribute which is used to specify link address, like where is the link located. So the attribute used here is her href. Okay, href. And then you write, I'm going to write https, or I'm going to go to the there are two types of links, absolute and relative. We are now going to do the absolute link. Okay, and relative will be on my next part, in my next parts. Okay, I'm going to open YouTube quickly. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to copy. I've copied this link, and I'm going to paste the same link here. Now we are done, and we need some text that where we click, like the person cannot click anywhere, and that he should know that here we have to click and he'll go to the link. So we need some text that is, so just like that. So I'm going to write YouTube. So it is like that when you click on the YouTube text, it will direct you to the youtube.com. Okay, and then we put an end tag. Okay, now let's try this. Okay, let's try save. I saved it, and on desktop I had saved it, and open with Google Chrome. See, we have a YouTube text written and underlined. So when we click on YouTube, it has directed us to youtube.com. Okay, so now we come back here, and the next thing I'm going to teach you is target. Target means that where when you click on the link, it should open the link on the same window or the tab, or in the new window or a tab, or in full screen mode. Like, it defines that. Okay, so let's learn it. So it is written over here, and we write target is equal to double quotes, and there are many targets, like self. The self target opens the link in the same window or the same tab. And there is one more, blank. The blank target opens the link in a new window. Okay, new window or a new tab. And the parent, and there is a parent, and the parent target opens the link in parent frame. And there is the last one, top, which opens the link in a full body window. So first I'm going to first, as you saw that when we hadn't written this, and when we had done open with Google Chrome, we haven't saved that yet. It's open, so it opens in the same window. Okay, so that by default we can say it as self. Okay, and then self you saw, and I'm going to show you what is blank. Blank. Save it. I'm going to save and then open Chrome. And we clicked on this, and it opened in a new window. Like this was where we have saved our program, and it opened over this new window. Okay, so next we try parent. Now save it, and when we clicked on it, it opened in a parent frame. Now I'm going to show you it in top. Save it and open. Yes, it opened it in a full body window. Okay, so now that is done. So when that is done, I'm going to teach you what is absolute and relative. Absolute links are the links like when you tie. I'm going to show you what is absolute link. This is what you say is an absolute link. HTTPS and then www.google.com, https://www.google.com. That is a absolute link, and relative links are just youtube.com. Done. Nothing of this, nothing of dot, just youtube.com. These are the relative links. Okay, and now I'm going to tell you how to use image as a link. Now I'm going to set this as blank. Now image as a link we first write. Okay, now we had end this, and I'm going to first write it as image. First write image, and wait a second, I have YouTube's image over here. Okay, so I'm going to use this image for my usage, and then I'm going to image, and then I'm going to say source. If you want to learn how to insert an image in HTML, you can see my last video. Source, I'm going to write, what is it saved as? YouTube. YouTube dot png. It is saved as png. Okay, and YouTube dot png. And then I'm going to set, okay, I'm not going to set width, and it takes time. Okay, so done. So now we're gonna save it and run it over here. Wait, I forgot that we don't want to put this here. Now we save it and try to run it. And I'm going to just write the width and all things. Okay, so now we are gonna save it. I guess all these things are image source YouTube. Okay, youtube.png. I guess that is a png file. Okay, let's see. It's a png file, and now I'm going to save it. And then okay, we have the image, and I set the width as this much, so I'm going to set the width as 200 and try doing by it by that. Okay, if you want to learn what is this style and what I'm writing width and height, you can go to my last video. I've written what is that in my last video. Okay, so you can go there and see what I'm writing that style. Okay, now we're done, and I'm going to save this again, and then just okay. So now we have the YouTube image as big as you see, and when we click on this YouTube image, it is getting us on the YouTube. Okay, click on the YouTube image and it is getting us on the YouTube. So that is how you do it. And so this was for the day, and I have a surprise for you guys. I have a new element, like not new element which I have invented, not like that, but I have something new. It is an HR element. I'm going to tell you what is HR. When you write HR, okay, HR, it has no end tag. It is such an element that it has no end tag. There is one more element called BR. I'm going to tell you it about my next video. And HR. HR is used to separate things by putting a line. Okay, so I'm going to just show you a demonstration, or else you won't understand. I'm going to write HR tag is tag. Haha. Uh, I didn't know what to write, so I just wrote something. Okay, so I'm going to save this file. Now I'm going here, and yes, you see that the page is divided, like it is divided into two, and we have this text written over here, and the page is divided. Okay, so this was for the day, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment how was the video. Bye. Oh, okay, please, it takes really too much time to make a video. Please comment, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.